Hey girls! Want to level up your life and become the best version of yourself? Whether it's building confidence, smashing your goals, or simply glowing up, I've got the ultimate guide to help you upgrade your routine and mindset. Let's dive into it. Start your mornings right. Wake up at the same time every day, make your bed, hydrate, and list 3 things you're grateful for. Add some light stretching or meditation and you'll feel unstoppable all day. Set clear goals. Write down what you want to achieve, break it into smaller steps, and track your progress. Every little win counts. Practice daily gratitude. Before bed, jot down 3 things that made you happy. It's a simple habit that shifts your mindset to positivity. Fuel your body with the right foods. Swap junk for colorful fruits, veggies, and fun, healthy recipes. Your mood and energy will skyrocket. Read to grow. Spend just 15 minutes a day on books you love. It could be self-help, a juicy novel, or even a biography. Knowledge is your secret weapon. Stay active. Whether it's dancing, yoga, or a quick walk, moving your body keeps you strong, confident, and energized. Limit screen time. Schedule device-free moments for journaling, outdoor fun, or meaningful connections. Trust me, you'll feel more present and productive. Finally, surround yourself with people who uplift you. Cut off negativity and stick with those who inspire you to be your best self. That's it, ladies. These simple habits can truly transform your life, one step at a time. Start today, stay consistent, and watch yourself glow up. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, drop a comment, and hit subscribe for more tips to help you shine. See you in the next one.